Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Motorway construction tender in North Macedonia. The European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, is providing a loan or grant to finance the contract for the construction of a motorway section in North Macedonia. This project, identified as Road Corridor VIII, Phase 1 Bukojchani, Kichevo, carries the EBRD Project ID 49119. The Public Enterprise for State Roads, PESR, is the client for this undertaking, which involves the construction of Motorway E65, section Bukojchani, Kichevo, spanning from Km2 plus 500 to Km12 plus 727, along with its maintenance for a 5-year period. The project has also the ECEPP ID 356099940. This procurement is categorized as works and utilizes an open tender single-stage method with prequalification, PQQ. It falls under the Infra Europe business sector. The tender process officially commenced with an invitation for prequalification, published on January 30, 2025 at 16:38, with an issue date shortly after at 1700 hours. Interested parties are required to submit their applications by the closing date of March 17, 2025 at 1600 hours.